All right, so that's our system. Remember to do your little check that you normally do. You're going to be checking if you have inverse terms. This is equation 1, equation 2. Inverse terms, there are your inverse terms here, the -5 and the +5. You add those. Then you go on to the y's, -6y plus 2y. That will be -4y. And bring down your equal sign. 8 plus 4, that's 12. And then you're going to divide by -4, right? So y is equal to -3. So you're going to substitute y equal -3 in equation 1. All right, so you remember you can use either equation, but I want to substitute in equation 1. So I'll have -5x minus 6, and y is equal to -3, and then I'll have equal 8. All right. This will give me -5x plus 6 3s 18. That's going to be positive. Is equal to 8. All right.
Excuse me? Is this supposed to be -5x plus 18, or is it supposed to be subtract?
Plus use, that's why I say use a calculator. -6 times -3.
No, I'm saying like, because on the other side it says -5x subtract 6. So is it supposed to be -5x plus 18?
No. What you're doing here, what you're doing right here, you're working this out, right? And so you do -6 times 3, and then you put your answer here. -6 times 3 is going to be positive 18, right? So that's why you have positive 18 here. All right, so that's it. You get it?
Okay, yeah, I get it.
All right, cool. So I'm going to come up here and continue working on this problem. So I'm going to rewrite -5x plus 18 is equal to 8. All right, so now I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to bring down my -5x. Those are cancelled. And then we'll have -10. Use your calculator. Then we'll divide both sides by -5. Divide by -5. And we'll get x is equal to 2. So our solution, let me show you a shortcut. Solution set is going to be 2, -3. Remember, x first, always x first, and then y, right? So this is our solution. All right, that's our solution right there. Solving systems of linear equations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.